Do you want to know how you can supplement your retirement so you can enjoy your golden years to the greatest without the worry of having to rely on an insufficient pension? During the pandemic, my work stopped completely due to travel restrictions, and my income stopped completely. I was unable to receive any assistance from the government, went through my savings, and needed to start selling my shares to survive. It was then I realized at my age I needed to reskill, to supplement my retirement so I can live my life my way, to spend quality time with my family and enjoy traveling to exotic places for adventure and relaxation. I was in a dark place, feeling lost, and needed to come up with a solution quickly, so I turned to the internet for solutions. One day a guy showed up in my life telling me there's a solution by creating incomes online. I don't have time to explain all the solutions to you in this short video, but I do have a video I can send you that has details of the solutions. Stuart, the guy who thankfully came into my life, will show you in his video many solutions. Watching Stuart, I discovered many different ways to generate income online, even while offline doing the things I love. If you like the video, click the Learn More button. Just enter your name and email address and I'll send you the video. People like you and I are creating incomes online because more and more people are buying online every day. Items such as household groceries to luxury items to consultations. If you think about it, everyone at some time in their life has purchased something online. How can we then tap into this digital economy, you ask me? Well, there are ways to sell things or provide a solution to people online. You just need to have a website or something to offer to someone. Just need to put the right offer in front of the right people. We can show you how to find the right offer. So easy to build websites these days. Using one of many templates, clicking here and there, dragging and dropping, and you can have a website up and running in a couple of hours. In January 2024, there were 5.3 billion internet users globally, and the number of internet users grew by 97 million in the last 12 months. With the internet growing every year, opportunities are endless. For example, more than 11,000 affiliate programs where you get paid for helping businesses market and sell their products online, either through your website or other e-commerce platforms like Amazon. You can build your online business at your own pace from home, even while working your current employment. There's no age limit, no need for physical stores or hefty investments, just an internet-connected device. No bosses dictating your schedule. Work on your terms, from anywhere in the world, with an uncapped income potential. To achieve this, all you need is a little guidance to turn this vision into reality. Click the Learn More button somewhere around this video and simply enter your name and email, and I'll send you the video on how you can embark on this life-changing journey. Take the first step towards living your dream. If you want your life to change, then you need to change your life. Click that button now.